It's a family affair with Giorgia and Daddy Davide, keeping this 300-year-old recipe alive.
So what is the name of this tart?
Pasticciotti.
Pasticciotti. Did your dad invented it?
Actually, my great-great-great-father in 1745. It was made by a mistake.
A mistake so delicious that it's purga latina on the Italian culinary map.
So, short crust pastry.
Yes.
Crema pasticcera.
Crema pasticcera.
Crema pasticcera inside. So the secret, what is it?
It's the high temperature that we cook the pasticciotto.
320.
320 degrees. Yes.
È una temperatura
320 degrees.
quasi come una pizza.
It's like a pizza oven.
Yes,
Sì.
yes.
320 degrees. It goes in there. Bang! 320 degrees.
Scoppia la crema se non è a 320-330.
When my grandmother used to make, quando la nonna faceva...
I maccheroni, le orecchiette.
My grandmother used to make, and we used to eat the raw pastry all the time. And then, this is the best part of the... this is the best. Sorry, I'm gonna...
Vedi, se ti piace?
Buonissimo. Wait, you're going too fast. Wait, I want to learn. Otherwise, how am I going to steal the recipe? So, we got the metal case. Sì. Then you put the shortcut paste in there.
Imbottitura di crema
pasticcera.
E il coperchio di pasta.
Ah, poi prendi il coperchio.
Vai,
Vado?
vai.
Allora, pizzichi così. Così?
Sì. Il primo.
Actually, it's good. To be the first one is very good.
No, bad, is it?
Bravo.
So I made my first pasticciotto. I'm gonna call it pastiggino from now on.
For me, it's fine.
So I think you know what the secret is? The secret is in the blood.
In the blood, yeah.
All these 300 years of making the pasticciotti here, once they sealed, trimmed, what's the score now?
We brush them with the egg white.
10 minutes in the oven at 320 degrees Celsius and the job is done. But I'm starting to wonder if Giorgia is telling me everything.
Giorgia, don't lie to me.
No, I don't
There
lie.
must be a secret in here you don't want to tell me. Don't worry, I'm not going to copy the recipe and then I'm going to sell them in my restaurant. No, don't worry about it. I'm not going to do that. Look, from the master hands, 300 years old, straight into my hand.
Voilà.
Already you can see the fragrance and the crumbling of the pastry, which is fantastic. And now, the moment of the truth.
È di tuo gradimento?
Well, you know what I love about it? The simplicity. I know, I can understand why people can eat quite a few of these. Wow. My first ever pasticciotto experience. Now that I have the recipe, now that I have all the secret of pasticciotto, I'm gonna say thank you. I'm gonna take the recipe to the UK and I'm gonna sell million of those. Million. I'm gonna take another couple of this one as I'm traveling around. I love you. Ciao.
Ciao.